which competitive exam will I be giving? It's a huge confusion. Is that which stream can you opt? Literally little research in commerce में तो कुछ नहीं होता है. Shut up. Yeah, I'm going to prepare for some competitive exams. It's not just MBBS in PCB. Which batches can students study from? Class 10 board exams are finally over. Congratulations. But yeah, another big confusion comes that which stream to opt for class 11th and 12th, and it's a huge confusion. Trust me at this, I was also so much confused, but I find out, I did research in all of those streams and finally found out my interest. And yeah, in this video I'll be telling you guys that which stream can you opt. Like, this video is all about which stream am I opting, because aap sabhi ne pucha tha. And then which competitive exam will I be giving, which batches can students study from, and then I'll also help you guys to guide that which stream should you opt, what are the parameters that you should look upon and select a stream. So yeah, so hi, it's Vanshika and I am going to help you. And yeah, let's just start the video by answering the question which was most asked, that which stream am I going to opt. So like, there is this stereotype that everyone who is somewhere good at studies should opt for science or maths, but I don't think so कि तुम लोग तो ये सोचते होंगे. But हाँ, you should not opt any particular subject just because listening to others. You know your interest, you should look upon parameters, and obviously you need to take advices from. No, you don't need to take advices. Obviously you need to listen to your elders because they are experienced, but you don't have to directly get into any stream just because listening to them and by not following your own interest. I am going to take commerce plus maths. I know there was so much confusion, but I looked upon streams, I researched on that. Research like thodi bahut. And yeah, I finally decided that I am going to take commerce plus maths. Now another question comes, that why am I going to take commerce? Like, there are reasons. Firstly, because of my own interest. I have studied finance in class 9th and 10th in my additional subject, so I found interest in that. Then my elder sibling has opted for commerce and I know a lot about it. Then my cousin also have, but it's not like my elder sibling have opted for that, so I am opting. No, there are my cousins who have opted for science and maths too, so I know about that too. But I have done enough research and have went deep down into my own interests. So yeah, that is why I'm taking commerce plus maths. If you are going to take commerce plus maths, then a few minutes are for you, and then we are going to talk about all of the streams and everything. Where to study, like obviously your school, but so many students out there need extra classes like online batches or something. Physics wala, commerce wala, the same thing, has come up with their batches where they will teach you every subject, obviously, like accountancy, economics, then business studies, and then maths. So many subjects, like all the subjects which come up under commerce. And there are so many exciting offers this time because PW अपना 4th Vishwas Divas मनाने जा रहा है, and on account of their 4th Vishwas Divas, they have come up with various offers, discounts and special gifts. So how can you miss that? So yes, PW के साथ करो अपने preparation का महा celebration and get up to 70% discount on all the batches. So as we will be coming up in 11th class, so 11th class में foundation strong होनी चाहिए, इसलिए we need to focus upon studies. So you can go with Uday 2026 Commerce, or also there is this one more pro करके batch which is Uday Pro 2026 Commerce, and ये same 12th के लिए भी है. There are batches for 12th जिसमें आपको boards के लिए tips and tricks चाहिए होती है. Then obviously it's board class, so you need to focus more. So उसके लिए भी batches है. Parishram 2025 and then Parishram Pro 2025 Commerce. So Pro में क्या है, थोड़े से extra features मिल जाते हैं, बाकी तो batches are all same and good. So in these batches you will get 24/7 doubt support, then you will get live recorded with unlimited views video lecture, and also you will get weekly assignments and practice papers. And हाँ, जैसे मैंने बताया कि अगर कुछ pro features चाहिए, so you can go with that pro one batch, and उसमें कुछ extra features है like mentorship with PW expert faculties. Then you will get hard copies, like hard books of all those subjects, and access to upcoming batches. So this was about batches. You can go, link is in the description box about of these batches, and you can enroll yourself in that. And also you can use my coupon code this to get some extra discount. after batches, let's come back upon the topic that which stream should you opt and how can I help you in selecting stream and get you out of that confusional zone. The confusion कहाँ होता है? You are somewhere interested in science क्योंकि तुम्हारी science starting से अच्छी रही है and you are interested in that. But then अगर तुम्हें PCB लेना है, so it's like कि a lot of like to become a doctor, to get an MBBS degree it takes a lot of time. Then if you think कि यार मुझे maths लेना है but JEE it's so tough, how will I be able to clear that, and what if I don't, this is confusion. And then if you think कि यार commerce लेना है, commerce में तो कुछ नहीं होता है. Shut up, you don't have to think like that, this is so wrong. So ये mentality होती है. But guys, think, it's not just MBBS, one degree which is present in PCB. It's not just that degree of JEE, like exam की जो भी degree होती है, that is present in PCM. And it's not just CA or something in commerce. There are so many other things. I would suggest you not to take stream upon looking upon the career options, but look upon the subjects, because there are so many career options. जब क्या होगा, जब आप उन streams में enter करोगे, जब आप चीज़ों को पढ़ोगे, and when you will do little research, you will get to know कि बहुत सारी अलग चीज़ें भी हैं which you can get in a particular stream. It's not just PCB, it's not just about becoming a doctor. It's so much more than that. PCM, it's not about becoming an engineer. It's so much more than that too. Even if I am not experienced, but I know because my cousins are, my elders are, and they taught me this, and that is why I am telling you this, that there are so many other things. If you like to study history, politics and something like that, so opt for humanities. It's upon your own interest. You can create career if you have interest in that subject. It's just the matter of your own subject interest and not about career options. Sit down, take a pen and paper and write subjects that you are interested in, or if you are still confused, then write 4 things, that commerce, then PCB, PCM, and then humanities. And अगर कुछ और subjects भी होते हैं like agriculture होता है कुछ schools में, so you can opt for that too. But हाँ, main जो ये है कि commerce, science and then humanities, and that write things down कि यार ये मेरे interest की चीज़ें है या नहीं. Think on that, write things down. Talk to your elders, talk to your siblings, cousins. There are so many people to guide you, and if there are not, then you just have to listen to your mind. Listen to it, that which are the subjects that you find interest in, and select that. You'll be happy. Because if you think engineer बनना है but maths आपका अच्छा नहीं है, आपको maths में interest भी नहीं है, 10th का maths is so much different than 11th and 12th का maths. So if you are even interested somewhere in 10th का maths, you can go have a look upon books, have a look upon things of 11th and 12th and opt for that. I can not completely tell you that which stream you need to opt, but I have tried to clear your confusion. वो confusion वही होता है कि यार career option क्या है and मुझसे क्या होगा. So उस चीज़ को दिमाग से थोड़ा सा हटाओ and take stream according to your own subject interest. You will find career out of it. Don't worry. And हाँ, मैं एक क्वेश्चन आंसर करना भूल गई, that now what competitive exams am I going to give, because obviously I'm not going to give JEE or NEET because I'm not taking science or maths. Those are not the only 2 competitive exams that exists in India. There are so much more. There are so many other for colleges like CUET, IPMAT, CLAT, which is a common exam, which is not specifically for commerce students, but yeah, you can give. Then there are others. You just need to do a little research on that. Am I going to take dummy in class 11th and 12th? No, I'm not going to take, because yeah, I'm going to prepare for some competitive exams, but I'm not going to take dummy. So yes, that was it for the video. So yeah, I have told you about the batches, then if I'm going to take dummy or not, which stream am I going to opt, what are the competitive exams that I'm thinking to give, and then which stream can you select. I have also tried to clear your confusion of stream selection. And yeah, that was it for this video, guys. There were so many requests on which stream am I going to take, and मुझे लगा कि I should make a video out of it because you guys must be needing some kind of friendly advice. So I made this video. If you liked it, like it, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe, because this channel is about productivity, mindset, student life, and somewhere about fashion, because I love that. So yeah, if you're new, subscribe, and that was it for this video. Bye. Now at conclusion, I would just say that take a pen and paper, write all the subjects that you're interested in the one side of the paper, and the other side write all the career options that you're interested in. Get a conclusion out of it, and that will be the stream that you actually need to do. This is a way that you can help yourself by doing, and it's just a friendly advice from my side. If you really want to do that, do it for once. And yeah, that was it. Bye.